Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, I'll be unboxing my TXT albums that I got. I got both versions of the Eternity ones as well as the poster. And yeah, we'll just get started from there. Before we get started, I just have a little quick rant or story about my experience purchasing these albums. So I purchased these albums from K-pop Music Town LA few days before the pre-orders were ending, so around May 15, 14, somewhere along that line. And it took a long time to get these albums. It took over a month plus to receive these albums. And let me just say, they were very, let's put it in a nice way, they were not very accommodating to my concerns in the beginning until I went a bit harder in asking them what's up with my order, you know. I know the pandemic is happening and shipping may be delayed, and I completely understand that. But I just don't understand, why are you ignoring my messages and telling me to do this and that when I am and you're not responding back? That's my question, you know. And I'll leave like screenshots on both sides, the responses they gave out. And yeah, they also told me that my package was considered missing, which they should have reported earlier before I actually stepped on their toes and told them, where is it, like what's the update, give me updates, you know. Like, what? And also, so I consistently messaged them over and over and asked, hey, any updates? It's quite frustrating for me. I have to wait, especially I put my money in already and not getting what I am getting. And I don't have any updates from you guys. I don't have any responses or announcements. After 3 emails, I decided to hit up their Instagram. And before the pandemic happened, and well, I don't know if it's before the pandemic happening, they put no DMs were closed about like online orders. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it anyways. They'll still see my message because I talked to them before. And I was like, hey, can you guys check if my stuff is coming in? And I gave them like my email and stuff, and it's like, yeah, are you like emailing the right email? I was like, yeah, obviously, because you guys responded the first few times. And second, like, are you sure? And then I sent them screenshots, like I sent another email. It's like, bro, what the heck? I had to like talk to someone else in a higher position, customer service, to get my stuff. But I'm just very disappointed of the service and the professionalism and from K-pop Music Town LA handling this situation. And also after, with my situation, a few days later, they put out an announcement to those who subscribe to their email subscription, and they were like, to all customers about shipping will be delayed and this and that. And I was like, why didn't you do that sooner and you decided to do it now? Like, if I wasn't the only one having that issue and others were, shouldn't you be informing them instead of giving them excuses or not giving them an answer? So ultimately, I just want to say, if you're gonna purchase your albums anytime soon, talk to the place about shipping and look at the price, look at everywhere to see which matches your preference and stuff, you know, because a lot of things have been going around about K-pop stores and I'm not too happy with it. So that's just my point. Okay, enough of my rant. Thank you so much for staying here. If you're still here, give this video a like, subscribe while you're at it, and comment down below what's your favorite song from this album track. My personal favorite is Drama. It just captured my attention from the first performance, and I'll start with this one. I don't remember which album version they're called. I don't know if this one's Eternity or Starboard. I'm not too sure, but I got both versions. I saw a lot of people like having a hard time ripping these out, so I'm gonna be gentle as well. I'm gonna do a flip through for the photos because I don't have like a tripod for it to like move it down, if you get what I mean. So there might be some shakiness, and I own it unlike others, right? And it comes with this little key lock. I probably won't be locking this because I feel like I'll lose the keys. Like, it'll be somewhere in my room, but I don't think I'll find it if I like move things around. products. Yeah. Unlock. Ooh. It's opened. Ooh. So this is like the first page you'll see. Oh, things came out. Things came out. I don't know what is it. See what I've drawn out. So they included this little artwork, like Magic Island. Which one was it? Like connecting to Magic Island in Eternally. And then this is like a photo strip. I don't know if you guys can see a photo strip. And then I already saw it, but I got Yeonjun. I don't know if you guys can see it. Is it clear? Maybe at the reverse part. And then, who do you guys think might be here? I feel like I'll get Taeyang. I don't know why. It's just my instincts. Is it backward? It's upside down. I got Subin. This hot look. Very cool, very cool. Got my biases here, so that's cool. I gotta get this out here. I do enjoy every member from TXT. On to this one. Gently. Ooh, there's like a little mark on it already. Oh, shit's in the bag. Comment down below who's your bias from TXT as well. Ready. Key. You know, if you lose one pair of keys, it's totally fine because you got another pair. Just saying, just saying. If you get both versions and you lose the pair of keys, you're lucky, I would say. I mean, you're kind of unlucky you lost it, but you're lucky that you have this one. Ooh, there's scratches on here already. There's like little scratches and dents on it. And the back, it's a little bit dirty. Show like a time lapse for these as well. just say this is my favorite picture from this album. Then let's see who I got. Ooh, I saw a little bit of the background. I saw the hair. I know who it is. I got another of the Magic Islands artwork. And then another like photo strip as well. My clear one. Bongyu. I got Bongyu. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. I know I think I got Yeonjun because I saw the hair. It was like yellow blondish. Yeah, I got Yeonjun. Now it's focusing now. Honestly, the album is just amazing overall. And people were talking about the first title track are always like the iconic one. Honestly, I agree. Blue Orange Shade, New Rules, Drama, they always like capture your attention because of how upbeat it is, you know. I'll leave those here, but then we'll move on to the poster. Let's see. I don't know how to open these. Okay, I think I almost got it. Ugh. Tight. Okay, got it. It's stuck. It's a bit dented and dirty. It is what it is, I guess. Ooh. I'm really excited about it. I don't know why. Do you guys see that? I don't know. Like I said, this was my favorite picture from that version. I think it's the bus one, right? I really like the red on this. Very cool. I honestly love the posters. Love it. Amazing posters. Amazing album. Artists. TXT is just amazing. I don't think I'll be buying any albums soon because I'm kind of broke, you know. And that's about it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, give this video a like, subscribe, comment who your bias is and what's your favorite song from this album or the first song you ever heard from them. Let me know. I'm really curious what people hear first. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.